Hey there! Today we are talking about refrigerator panels that I got from Home Depot that are laminated, and I thought that just would look really nice and be easier than trying to frame it and then drywall it on both sides. We're talking a lot of work, and I just thought, I just think it'll be easier to get a refrigerator panel, put it up somehow. Wasn't really sure what I was gonna do. This is the result. I think it looks amazing. What I wanted to do was kind of line it up on the outside to give myself more room for the refrigerator to go in. When these panels come, one side is white. I did not realize that the other side would be this color. So I may need to paint this at some point, but I mean, it doesn't look too horrible. But I did prefer the white on the inside because everything I'm putting up is white laminate. It came with these, one on each panel. The panels are identical. The way that these were facing, this big square part would have been showing out here. And I didn't want that. I ended up removing these. I cut one of them to size and it slid right in down here. So I put the panel right up against the wall. And it just so happened I had the absolutely perfect amount of space for that to slide in. Because the way that they're built, they wrap around. They're not on the edge. This panel actually fits inside and there's a channel that it fits in. I had exactly enough space to run one of those under there, which stabilized my boards because the boards were swinging at the bottom and I wasn't sure how I was going to secure them. I figured I'd have to buy trim. Well, I didn't. We're gonna pull the fridge in. Let's see. Yeah, we've got a little space here almost for a trash can. I mean, space isn't a bad thing. That's how much space we have left. And that is 2 refrigerator panels. And I think it's beautiful, and I'm super excited that the back of my refrigerator does not show in my living room and dining room anymore. Also, one thing I wanted to add that I really appreciated was the labels that were put on these panels came off so easy. They just peeled right off. And this is what it looks like painted. I still have another coat to do. Take care. Bye-bye.